Hey dolls, welcome to That Girl Jalyn channel. You guys, by the title of the video, you guys know what I am going to be doing, how I've been holding up during quarantine and everything. So let me tell y'all, your girl ain't been holding up too good for quarantine because look at these nails. Look at these babies. These babies is bald head. They so ugly. So like, ew, I just don't like them. Don't like them. I just feel like a little boy right now. So I am basically going to be doing my nails, my own nails. I did a set before, but I didn't film it because I was seeing how it was going to turn out and seeing how long it was going to last, and they last pretty long. So I'm going to do it again today. We've been in quarantine and all these nail salons are closed and everybody's just been trying to keep safe and stay in the house, which I fully respect that. I am doing the same. I'm trying to stay far away from people like as possible. So I've just been, in the house and just trying to test out new things on me. So I'm going to do my nails and I'm going to show you guys. We are going to be doing green to match me. So let's get straight into this video. If you guys are new to the channel, like this video, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss every time I upload. With that being said, let's get straight into the video. All right, you guys, so this what you will need. You will need your hands. Woo. You will need the main part, which is some kiss nails. You could get the oval, you could get any type of shape you want, but I choose a square because I prefer smaller nails just so they'll last longer and they won't pop off. Also, you will need glue. I don't use the glue that comes with the nails, but I use this super glue. You can get it from a dollar store or anything. Green, I'm gonna do green today. So I have green fingernail polish, clear, and then also, as you guys know, we all need oil around our cuticles once our nails is done. Filers, just to shape my nails. Fingernail clippers, just so if I want them shorter or whatnot. And then I have this little clamper thing just to get around and cut off any excess of my cuticles. I can do that. This is what I'm going to start with first. I'm going to start with cutting my cuticles and pressing them down just so my nails will last longer.
Bed, I got nothing to do. Take out my phone and stick it right to you. I'm really bored. Please don't ignore. Started as fun, now I randomly know you love rainy days and you still live at home. It's cool to see you're real with me. No, we've never met and things like this never last, but every time you text back, I can't help.
So after the cuticles are cut, I am going to start shaping my nails and sizing them.
Every time you text back, I can't help but reply with hearts in my eyes. I think I really like you, but I never say it straight to your face. I think I really like you, but I don't wanna repeat my mistakes. And I guess I'm kinda scared of meeting you in person, cause you're really cute. I think instead of sliding to your DMs like I said, I think I really like you, but I never say it straight to your face.
As you guys can see, I sized both of my thumbs because my thumbs are two different sizes. You guys can see right there. So don't judge me. But now I am going to start gluing my nails on.
In a few weeks and we're keeping this up. Difficult to deny we're on the cusp of something more. Can't be ignored.
now that the nails are glued on and dried all the way, I'm going to start to shape them the way I want to shape them. So I usually like squares, so I'm just gonna, you know, file them down until I get to my liking. Here is how I like them so far. So I'm not all the way done. I still have to shave these ones down. So here's just a little update. Stay tuned for the after look. All right, you guys, so now that I got them to the shape I like and I'm satisfied with, I'm going to start painting. But first, before we start painting, we want to clean up the dust, like the dusted area from the fouling, because when you paint, you don't want the dust to mix in with your fingernail polish. So just take a napkin and wipe down like the area. Now I am going to start painting. So I'm gonna take this green color and I'm gonna just go over it. I really like this color. It's really cute and it's bright. So obviously it's see-through, but it won't be see-through once I'm finished because I'm going to do a couple coats.
Take out my phone once again, right to you. I'm really bored. Please don't